Okay guys, now we'll see graphics in HTML. So the first graphics we'll see canvas. So basically canvas is used with JavaScript. I mean, you can't control canvas without JavaScript. There is no way. But still I'm showing you how to use canvas. So we write canvas and we give some width 200 and height. So it's like basically doing some designing on the web browser only and not using an image. And we'll just do like this and save it. So I think nothing appears because it's used with JS only. So basically I can use some style and show you. You don't need to know style, but I'm just showing you 1px solid black. So this is what canvas has done. It had made the box. So I have told made a 200 width and for height 400 height. So it has made 200 width and 400 pixels of height. And this border I have used this to show you there is something has been built by this canvas. But to control it we have to totally use our like what do you call JavaScript. Without that you can't control it. Okay, so the next part is SVG. So what is SVG? SVG stands for scalable vector graphics. It's like if you are loading an image, like image is like maybe of 1 MB and minimum maybe of 150 KB, so it take times to load. So that's why we use SVG. SVG is W3C recommended because W3C is the body who like who watches this HTML stuff, and it's load very fast, but it's not as colorful as that because we have to build it by ourselves. So we'll say SVG, and here we'll give some width and height. So let me just close this like this. Yeah, so we'll give some width by dth width, and width will give 100, and we height will give hidden, not HGIGST. Height will give also 100. Now in SVG we'll draw a circle. We'll say circle, it's a circle tag. We'll just close it, but it's a self-closing tag, so we'll do like this and close it. Yeah, now here we'll draw a circle. So we'll say cx equals to 50, then we'll say cy equals to 50, then radius equals to 40. If I say something happened, so this the box appears. So I've told you x height will be 50, y also 50, and radius 40. And we'll say stroke green, strok stroke equals to green. So stroke got green. I don't know what stroke green does because it doesn't appear what it does. It just show on stroke. Let me see. Okay, then we can do also stroke with strok stroke dash width with equals to 4. So stroke is the border of that. So border color I have made green and width is 4, so that's why you can see it. So if I make it red, so now it's looking red. Okay, then we want to change the inner color, so we'll say fill equals to yellow. Now the internal color is yellow. So it is impossible without SVG. If we just comment out the SVG part and let the circle part only, so see circle gone. So we anyhow we have to let the SVG be there. So make a circle, cx cy height and width, then the radius, then stroke in border, then width and internal color. Okay, now the same thing we'll see with rectangle. So we instead of circle we'll say rect rectangle and save it. So it doesn't appear because we have to change a lot in this rectangle. So in rectangle instead of this we'll say width, and here we'll say height, and this R will remove it. Obviously we don't need it. So now we got the rectangle. I know it's looking like bullshit, so you can just do some changes here and there, and you can see maybe it will look nice. But I told you it's very fast in loading, but it takes time to work around. So yeah, so this is something you'll like it. This is how you can build rectangle. And if you want to build a polygon, so polygon is like you'll just type polygon, just remove this width and height, and you have to do like give the points equals to, when you give points like this 100 dash dash 10 40 198 190 78 space 10 and comma 78 space 160 comma 198. Okay, so if I see, okay, this some kind of polygon has been made. So I don't know how actually it look likes. Yeah, so it looks like something like this. So basically you have to play with it, so make it, but nobody does that. I mean, who does that? So, and there is a website called build SVG online, because they automatically build your SVG, I think. Yeah, so if you just draw something, suppose I want this thing, I want this. Okay, let me just choose. I want this. Okay, I want this circle. So there's some object. So okay, okay, it's giving X, Y path, and basically how to use it. You can go and play around and check how to do that, and you'll know like how to use this thing. Okay, like it's not this website also. Like you can go here also, and you'll get Boxy SVG editor. So yeah, so you can build from there also. So this is what about all about graphics in HTML.